I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by targeting the right desk. Choose a beat and a backup. Open the careers page and note application instructions. Do this now so you avoid extra emails. Update your resume with measurable results, then record a short presenter clip that shows tone and pacing. Once done, write a one-page cover letter tailored to that newsroom's audience and attach clear file names. Make sure you have 2 references and send the first. Concise follow-up email within 3 business days. Now you assemble and optimize. Tailor each cover letter to the hiring editor by referencing 2 recent outlet stories and explaining how you would extend coverage. Collect 3 to 5 portfolio pieces that show reporting, writing, and on-air presence. Add timestamps for the strongest moments. Convert clips to widely supported formats and keep files under 10 MB when possible. Once your packet is clean, craft an email subject line that states role and your name, then attach materials and double-check before sending. You reach the interview stage, treat it like a live segment. Anticipate questions about breaking news, editorial judgment, and your editing workflow. Use star examples and link to portfolio pieces. Test tech, camera framing, mic level, lighting, and a wired internet connection if possible. After the interview, send a concise thank you within 48 hours and include any promised links. If you don't get the job, politely request feedback and apply lessons to the next opening. This keeps momentum and sharpens your pitch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.